Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of temporarily has been stopped on Shein app. To know how to fix or how to solve temporarily has been stopped on Shein app, you should just go to settings as you see, and you can click. You can go to settings here. Then you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you can click on Shein and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.